I'll give you a case study of Grok that happened recently. Elon Musk ने release किया था Grok image and video ये जो है आपका users were jailbreaking it and they could create inappropriate photos of anybody. So in that case, do you think without proper support, without proper security, it could actually lead to a lot of problems for humans as well?
Yeah, definitely a lot, because it is a black box. If you ever get chance to talk with all these people who are developing AI, even they don't know what's happening.
What is the one mistake, आपके according, that Indian businesses are currently doing that can be solved with AI? Okay, and other than NA10, Zapier, Make, etc., what other tools do you suggest to people who are trying to master AI? For example, what should be, अगर आप starting points, चलो आप 3 AI tools बताओ that are absolutely necessary to learn. 3 AI tools that are in the beginning phase. 3 medium, intermediate, and third that are advanced. For a person to completely get a hang of कि यार okay, I am employable now. मेरे को ये 9 चीजें तो पता होनी चाहिए.
हाँ, तो first is for I'll say very beginner. For first two I said, like I'll say, let's say ChatGPT for everyday tasks, Gemini to do the Google research, because बहुत सारे लोग Google ही करते हैं सब कुछ, तो Google research करने हैं. Research हर field का important thing है. And N8 and I'll say very beginner.
Okay.
If you are then in medium level, understand core competencies of your business, what all things are there, and maybe you can go very deep on N8N. Just one thing, very deep on N8N.
Okay.
N8N, I'll say, then make.com, everything. You cross connect it, add some and third part is try to learn somewhat coding, because you will need to install OpenClaw and everything. And if you are at that level, like अगर तुम लोग एक अपना नॉन टेक्निकल जॉब के साथ टाइम निकाल के ओपन क्लॉ ये सारे टेक्नोलॉजीज लर्न कर रहे हो और वो इम्प्लीमेंट करने का भी, लाइक इट इज़ नॉट दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स एज ऑफ नाउ. कोडिंग पहले महीने महीने लगते थे, अभी इतना नहीं लगता है फील. थोड़ा बहुत टर्मिनल कोड रन करने का, एंड दैट्स इट. अगर ओपन क्लॉ ये किया, API की प्लग इन किया, then I think you can do most of your tasks. Like you can just what I do is, like, sometimes when I'm on the go and my laptop is at home, I just send a telegram message that okay, this is the update. That suddenly कभी कभी भी strike आ जाता है कि अरे ये bug मैंने, like, मैं किधर बाहर जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को याद आया अरे वो bug या ये solution मेरे को दिमाग में आ गया, तो I just tell my telegram कि okay, ये ऐसा थिंग है, जस्ट इम्प्लीमेंट दैट. एंड और घर पे जाता हूँ तो हो गया रहता है थोड़ा बहुत, कभी कभी थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ वो फेल हो जाता है इधर, देन आई गेट टू नो. सो या 50%.
That's really interesting to know. So, actually. मतलब so do you think like a lot of people here call themselves founder when they start vibe coding, जो कि आप यूज कर सकते हो.
Talking about me.
No, of course not. But जैसे vibe coding तो मतलब you have your own agency, right? So you help people build something. But for the people who start vibe coding, they use anti-gravity, they will use a lot of different tools, Cursor, Lovable, etc. Do you think it is easier for them to build the perfect tool if they use vibe coding, or is it easier for them if they actually hire a developer and do the coding themselves?
I'll say like 50-50 both, because vibe coding से वो एक base बन जाता है जो भी, like, you want, like if you are building just a product for yourself or like a certain team, vibe coding works perfectly. It works more than what we need. Okay. But if you're building something on a production level, like let's say if you want a very high-end consumer app, तो प्रोडक्शन लेवल पे इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक, बिकॉज लेट्स से मिलियंस ऑफ यूजर्स आर गोइंग टू कम और सबका अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स होगा, सबका अलग अलग इनपुट्स रहेंगे अलग टाइम पे, तो दैट AI कांट हैंडल. उसमें बहुत कुछ सिस्टम डिजाइनिंग सब लगता है. So that is what a professional computer engineer or a professional developer can do. But yeah, if you are looking to just start with the base and get that initial funding, so I think vibe coding does the job.
Right. And अभी अगर आप देखो, so there are a lot of influencers on social media that have started AI automation. बहुत सारे ये हो गए, ठीक है. There's a आप एक बीच में आ गए हो, आप यार एट अ क्रॉस रोड, राइट. AI इन्फ्लुएंसर के बीच में आ जाते हो, AI ऑटोमेशन के बीच में आ जाते हो, एक कंटेंट क्रिएशन के इसमें बीच में आ जाते हो, एजेंसी के बीच में, राइट. So I think there's this guy called Ritesh Verma who's a content creator, and he also has his own AI automation agency.
Hmm.
There's this guy called Rishi Udarpurkar who
Uh-huh.
in Mumbai itself, he has his own social media page as well and content creation agency. So what USP would you have over the both of them for people to actually choose you over these
Okay.
two people?
So yeah, that is the thing. I'll say one thing is that the amount of quality work we put in, because we won't only just, let's say, like I think everyone does this. Everyone has niche down, but what we do is like we basically research a lot, a lot. We find what are the best working things, what are doing the, like what are the best automations, what are the new technologies, and we spend a lot of time researching. एंड देन वी टॉक विद द क्लाइंट्स देमसेल्फ कि उनको क्या लगता है, क्या एक उनके हिसाब से यूएसपी रहेगा, एक क्या अलग चीज़, हट के चीज़ रहेगी,
Right.
उस हिसाब से वी ट्राई टू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज वर्किंग फॉर अस.
What is the one mistake, आपके according, that Indian businesses are currently doing that can be solved with AI?
I'll say lack of knowledge only. They are very, the way you started the conversation with, fear of change. Maybe they should be open to change, open for innovation. The reason why China, USA, ये सारे businesses they're going ahead is because they, अभी people are surviving. I think Indian business owners are surviving. They are not innovating and building another generational wealth. So that is the thing. I think they should be open to change, open to technology, because obviously AI is just like 4 years, not four, I'll say 5 to 6 years old now. That's it. और ये लोग बिजनेस में 20 साल से, तो ये लोग इतना इजीली नहीं ये करेंगे. और देर इज अ वर्ल्ड अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दिस AI, like we are good on social media and everything, we know about AI. There is a world only, like the rest 95%, the traditional economy, the real Indian economy, they don't know about AI, they don't even care about AI. They think जब तक मेरा चल रहा है धंधा, I'm good. अरे ये धंधा हम 10x कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
Why not? Why not? मतलब that is how everyone will grow.
I believe वो complacency आ जाता है,
हाँ.
plus reluctance to change is something that is making people
Yeah.
away from AI.
Yeah. This is what I've realized in like 9 months I'm into the business, and सब लोग का यही एक रहता है कि अरे चैट जीपीटी कर लेते हैं. बेटा चैट जीपीटी भी यही करते हैं, आप क्या
क्या
करो?
जरूरत है ये
फिर हमें
agency,
उनको
ये
सबको समझाने बैठना पड़ता है कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता अंकल, this is the thing, ऐसे नहीं होता.
I think that is the hardest part of
yeah, that is, but yeah, it has its own perks. मजा आता है वो, like oh wow,
it's a
let's
journey
go.
in itself. I believe.
मजा आता है वो अंदर से, वाओ चलो एक्सप्लेन करने मिलेगा किसी को.
Do you मतलब अभी तो हमें पता है यार कि चैट जीपीटी हो गया, क्लॉड हो गया, ये सब तो कर ही रहे हैं, बाकी सब चीज़ें बहुत सारे यूजर्स हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कुड बी 2 or 3 मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग यूजर्स, यूनिक यूजर्स, जो कि अभी तक मतलब बहुत लोगों ने एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है विद एआई?
Unique as in, can you like specify that?
सो मतलब अभी देखो वीडियो जनरेशन, ऑडियो जनरेशन, ईमेल्स, कंटेंट, वो सब तो कर ही रहे हैं लोग एआई से, राइट? इज देयर समथिंग जो कि इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ है, मतलब आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स दैट एआई कैन डू?
Out of the box AI can do is not at a consumer level, I'll say, at a developer or the level that we as an engineers or any engineers watching this, any builders watching this are operating at. वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने बोला वो मैं टेलीग्राम पे बस डाल देता हूँ, देयर आर थिंग्स हैपनिंग, whatever my agent, I just speak, okay, I'm coming to this podcast 0.5 show, just research on it and tell me what are the points, what is the style that Saurabh interviews in. It will analyze everything, it will research specifically on you, then it will create a these are the questions. So these are the things, I'm just giving an example. So all these things can happen, but इसको implement करने, like setup करने भी थोड़ा मेहनत डालना पड़ता है. तो consumer level पे जो like average user है, जो non technical है, वो बस chat GPT या image है, it is like वही peak पे चल रहा है, उनको सब पता है. image नया था, videos नए थे, audios नए थे, और text तो it is getting better. तो वही है.
बताओ भाई, हम आप पे रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, आप हम पे. But that's interesting. A few of my last questions I would like to ask is, do you think AI is the most common thing that people ask, is it a boon, is it a curse? Because बहुत अच्छे uses भी होते हैं, बुरे uses भी हो सकते हैं. So what exactly do you think AI is going towards?
See, I don't think I'm at the position to answer this, because
नहीं, according to you, आपका perspective
नहीं,
क्या है?
for me तो it is a blessing. It is a good thing because it is able to empower. But the thing that again, the survival of the fittest theory. If you are not upgrading yourself, you will always find it as a curse. If you are upgrading yourself, you will find it as a blessing. Okay, मैं पहले इतना चीज़ करता था, अभी एआई के बाद मैं इतनी सारी चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ. तो देयर आर टू डिफरेंट मेंटालिटीज. तो जैसा मेंटालिटी रहेगा वैसा वो थिंकिंग वैसे बढ़ते ही
Right.
रहेगा. एआई क्योंकि एआई, इट इज़ वेरी ऑनेस्ट, एआई इज गोइंग टू गेट better every day. I am very well ready for this. Kal parso, what I am doing, it might get replaced also. At that time, I need to upgrade myself. I am
Right.
very being honest with it. So yeah, that even sort of even you must have seen there are very AI podcasts. Although those are not getting that much traction,
Yeah.
but AI podcast style content,
Correct.
those
Yeah.
are like booming short form style of content. So yeah, it is coming. But if you keep on upgrading, if you keep changing your energy, keep changing like the way you interview, the way
Right.
your questions are, you'll obviously be the best in the game. That is the thing.
So when I say, AI can be a curse, not only because of unemployment, but there's a very different dark aspect to things. For example, I'll give you a case study of Grok that happened recently. If you have observed, Elon Musk ने release किया था Grok image and video ये जो है आपका. तो what happened during that, if you might know, तो Twitter के जो भी images थे या फिर किसी के भी images थे, you could create. They were jailbreaking. The users were jailbreaking it, and they could create inappropriate photos of anybody, and not just inappropriate, extremely inappropriate, and
Okay.
even with children as well.
Okay,
right?
okay.
So these have been, people have shared it on Twitter, and it has happened. So in that case, for Elon Musk, after a few days, he waited for a few days ताकि सब लोग उसको use करें, and then he withdrew that feature, so that it was his maybe marketing strategy what he did.
Okay, okay.
So in that case, do you think without proper support, without proper security, it could actually lead to a lot of problems for humans as well?
Yeah, definitely a lot, because it is a black box. Even like if you ever get chance to talk with all these people who are developing AI, even they don't know what's happening. Those neural networks, how they make decision, they don't know what's happening. So Claude ka Anthropic ne, the founder, he did a lot of research and he did a lot of security layers on it,
Right.
on Claude. That's why Mythos is not getting released, because they are trying to make it as grounded, as
purified,
pure possible, because it is something differently. It is more powerful than Opus, and Opus is like till the
the
best in it.
ultimate, हाँ.
Yeah, now 5.5 is released, it is also the best. But yeah, the AI race is like winning fast, but
Winning fast. So, okay, last question I would like to ask is, for a college student, for a corporate employee, for an entrepreneur who's watching this, currently this show, what advice would you like to give them if they want to do something in their life and they want to build something in AI, with the help of AI rather? What would be one advice आप देना चाहोगे that you have learned in the past 8, 9, 10 months?
genuinely, I'll say this not in an AI perspective. I'll say
Okay.
this as an founder
Entrepreneur
perspective,
perspective.
or anyone basically, as a human. Just keep upgrading yourself. No matter even if you're running some small business, anything you're running, and if it doesn't involve any technology, also just understand what the business is, because this is what I've learned from my dad. जो भी कर रहे हो अच्छे से करो, सीख के करो पूरा सब कुछ. You should know about it, because the more you know about it, the more you tend to apply more things, apply new ideas. So yeah, that is it.
Just one thing that I wanted to add a नहीं, but I wanted to ask one last question, because ये मेरा immediately दिमाग में आया when you
Okay,
said
okay.
this, कि आपने अभी before the podcast we were conversing and you said कि on some, without sharing much details, on some week or some months you might get orders, some month you might not get orders, some month you might have a retainer, some month आपको
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, you'll earn zero. How do you manage to keep that motivation and consistency? Because it is in continuation with the previous question when you said
Okay.
कि यार you should know everything, you should do whatever आप कर रहे हो अच्छे से.
Yeah, so like कभी कभी कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी, anything. Someday you are giving your 100%, still you are not getting those results. Sometimes you are earning a lot in profit, or sometimes it is zero. Literally, there are months that have been where it was zero. So at that time, it is just that your values and your hunger for doing that thing. So rather than looking at it as a profit, I'll see that okay, never mind. Maybe people are not having problems. It is a good thing. We'll find people who actually have problems, and then yeah, that is the thing. Yeah, you just cope up with it.
That was a really inspiring story, and
Thank
the
you.
insights that you shared was really, really nice. So, guys, thanks a lot for watching. This was the 0.5 show. I'm your founder and host, Saurabh Chaudhary, signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Oh my God. Oh my.